Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Hyundai Santa Fe key battery. Use a small flathead to pry the fob at the seam, remove the old CR2032 cell, and insert the new battery with the plus side up. Then snap the case closed and test the remote by pressing lock and unlock to confirm operation. Work on a soft surface to avoid scratching and keep old batteries away from children. Start by gathering tools and a replacement CR2032 battery and work on a clean, well-lit surface. Remove the emergency key if present, then pry gently along the seam to open the fob without forcing it. Flip the circuit board carefully if needed. Note battery orientation before removal so you can match it, and avoid touching contacts with bare hands to reduce corrosion risk and ensure reliable remote operation. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings hands-free voice control that helps when your hands are busy changing a CR2032 battery in a key fob. It plays helpful how-to prompts, sets timers, and streams clear audio while you work on the console. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your key still fails after a new battery, try cleaning the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Reinstall the battery ensuring firm contact, and then reclose the fob. Press both lock and unlock to confirm a response. If the remote remains unresponsive, the transponder or key housing may be damaged, and you should consult a dealer or locksmith to diagnose and replace faulty parts for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.